This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and software so you don't waste time later. First, update your Xbox Series X to the latest firmware. This delivers Dolby Vision support and fixes. Next, make sure your TV's HDMI port explicitly supports Dolby Vision for gaming and is set to the correct input. Finally, swap in a certified HDMI 2, one cable, and plug into the TV's full bandwidth port. Once done, move on to the Xbox display settings to enable the feature and test a compatible game. You now change system settings to hand control to Dolby Vision. Go to Settings, then General, then TV and Display Options. Choose 4K and the highest refresh rate your TV supports. Next, enable HDR if it's not already active. HDR is a prerequisite. After that, locate and turn on the Dolby Vision for gaming toggle. This instructs the Xbox to output dynamic metadata. Once enabled, launch a Dolby Vision-capable game or demo, so the console and TV negotiate the correct dynamic. You finish by verifying and, if needed, troubleshooting. Start a known Dolby Vision title or the TV's built-in demo to confirm deep blacks, bright highlights, and accurate color grading. If the image looks off, make sure TV HDMI input settings aren't forcing static HDR or pass-through. Switch to the TV port labeled for 4K 120/Dolby Vision. If issues persist, power cycle Xbox and TV. Reseat the HDMI cable and re-enable Dolby Vision on the console. One key tip: test a different HDMI 2, one port before assuming a hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.